Hi, you guys. It's cold. We're here. I'm out getting some things done. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
So, yeah, look at you guys. We're gonna go outside because it's raining. Hi, baby.
Yes.
Here. What's our game plan, babe?
Just get you close so you can jump in, and then I'll put Dusty Rose in the car.
Okay, so I am sitting you guys on Dusty Rose because it's been really. You can move me now, baby. Um, it's been really cold, you guys, and yada yada, mobility, weather. Ooh, it's wet. It's wet, you guys.
Whoa! Boy, the brakes don't hold, do they? Okay, I got you.
It's wet, you guys. We're wet.
Okay, please.
Okay, guys, let's jump in the car.
Yeah.
Well, not jump, but we're gonna go into the car. You guys are gonna get wet, so I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, we're in, you guys. You are in. We're in. Ah, yes. Ah, we're in. It's cold, you guys. I don't know where they left my my window thing. You guys are wet. Here, I'm gonna dry you guys because you guys are wet. You ready? You guys are ready? You guys are ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Are you guys dry now? Are you guys dry? Are you guys dry? Okay. Oh, you guys, it's cold. Look it. I'll show you this way. You guys see that on the rain? Look at it. Rain. It's freezing. My good old beanie. All I did was braid my hair today, you guys, because the weather and no. I know you guys probably are glad to see me not in the room. I know Gary's happy not to see me in the room, huh, babe? Are you happy I'm not in the room?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, you guys. I'll see you in 1 second. Can you believe it, you guys? It is raining cats and dogs. Whatever happened to the California weather? I know, guys. I look like I've been crying. I was. I'm just relieved. It looks like we're gonna start 2020 on a good note. So keep me in your prayers. Good vibes, positives. So this is a good update, you guys. It's nice to be out of the house. Oh, this rain! Like the streets are starting to flood. I hope wherever you guys are at are nice and warm. And you guys, prayers for Australia. Let's pray for Australia. Prayers for the United States and for our whole world with all the fires and the mess and the hate and all that's been going on, you guys. Let's pray for one another. Let's right now in these times that all these different things are going on, let's encourage one another. Like really, let's encourage one another. For all my Australian friends, you're always in my prayers every day and every night. Please be safe. If you can, cruise on by it down in the comments. Let me know you're okay. For all of us that are going through the winter aches and pains and all this beautiful stuff that comes with this winter cold, I hope you're doing well. It's like, can you guys see how dark it is? And it's what, 2 o'clock, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Actually, it's almost 3 o'clock.
It's almost 3 o'clock. And then, so Dad, you guys take care of each other. Take care of one another.